Do you know many people are having trouble with checking their transmission fluid level? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Warm engine. Start the engine and warm it up to normal operating temperature to ensure the fluid is properly heated for accurate measurement. Step 2. Park car. Park your car on a level surface and set the parking brake to prevent it from moving during the check. Step 3. Cycle gears. Move the shift lever through each gear position, pausing briefly in each one, then return it to park. Step 4. Find dipstick. With the engine running, locate and pull out the transmission fluid dipstick near the back of the engine compartment. Step 5. Check level. Wipe the dipstick clean, reinsert it fully, then pull it out again to check the fluid level, ensuring it is in the HOT range. Now you should be able to accurately check the transmission fluid level in your 2015 Lexus IS 250. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Lexus users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.